National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hubbard County, Wadena County, northeastern Otter Tail County, until 9:45 a.m. At 8:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monaga to near Bluegrass to near Deer Creek, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wadena, Monaga, New York Mills, Sabika, Ferndale, Staples Airport, and Deer Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.